Hello and welcome to all our viewers to the world premiere of the all-new Land Cruiser 2022. My name is Ahmed and I'm honored to be one of your hosts for this event. I welcome you all from the United Arab Emirates. We are starting our epic journey in Dubai today at the tallest skyscraper in the world, an awe-inspiring symbol of architecture, design and forward thinking in my country. Now for me, the Land Cruiser has always been a legendary vehicle that is deeply connected to my homeland, representing the vision of many talented people over decades. We have a lot of off-roading to do today, so come along for an unexpected and thrilling experience. I'm off to Abu Dhabi next. When I drive my Land Cruiser to visit landmarks like the famous Emirates Palace in the capital of the UAE, this symbol of hospitality and refinement, I am proud to see how our great journey has captured the imagination of the world. We have truly come so far in our rich history, and wherever our people dream to go, the Land Cruiser always forged the path to reach it, side by side with us. It is a vehicle that has connected communities, inviting us to experience different landscapes together. We have more incredible destinations coming up in our world premiere today. Let us join my co-host Shireen in the studio. Shireen, over to you.
Thank you, Ahmed. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the world premiere of the all-new Land Cruiser 2022. From our studio in the Middle East, we are happy to have you all join us from every corner of the world to share this special moment as we celebrate the new generation of the legendary Land Cruiser.
The world's most trusted 4x4. After completing 70 glorious years, get ready for the powerful, the intelligent, and the most advanced Land Cruiser ever built. Introducing the most awaited, the all-new 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser.
Wasn't that just so powerful? You can really feel the thrill and excitement of each second and the intensity of the off-roading. I loved watching that. Toyota Motor Corporation is proud to introduce the most powerful and most advanced Land Cruiser ever, while remaining true to its roots. We continue to strive for new frontiers based on real-life feedback from users, as well as our test and racing drivers in diverse terrains. They offer us insight into what makes the Land Cruiser the king of the four-wheel drive worldwide, forged by the land and talented people. During the long-anticipated wait for the new Land Cruiser, Toyota was hard at work behind closed doors to develop an ever better vehicle. And so I'm very excited to introduce the behind closed doors development, where we experience the inventive progress behind the great reliability, durability and the legendary off-road drivability of the all-new Land Cruiser. The long-anticipated evolution is finally here, and we are excited to showcase the groundbreaking enhancements.
ランクルは世代が変わっても ランクルであり続けなければならないと開発チームに対し常に訴え続けてきたのは、この車はランクルなんだというシンプルな言葉です。信頼性、耐久性、悪路走破性という幹の部分は絶対に譲らない。そのためにフレームであることと、ランクルで80から続く黄金比とも言うべき伝統のホイールベース、これは絶対に変えない。実は強く意識したのがランクル80です。誕生から30年が経過した今もなお、歴代ランクル最高の悪路走破性を持つと言われています。ランクル80の持つ悪路走破性を超えたいエンジニアたちの熱意がこの300には詰まっています。開発の初期から幾度となく悪路を走り、壊しては直し、また壊してきました。実路からのフィードバックに勝るものはありません。ランクルを作るということは、私も含めて人作りそのものです。凄腕、匠、三浦ドライバーにも開発の初期から参加をいただき、総力を挙げて完成度を磨いてきました。